Harbor Freight just dropped some new instant savings deals. I'm going to show you the top deals to consider in this video. But first, I do want to mention they are going to be extending the parking lot sale this coming weekend. It'll be Friday through Sunday, in which you will need the coupons for the parking lot sale items. And those coupons won't be able to be accessed until they release it on Friday morning before the stores open. So again, this is going to be an instant savings deal video, and the instant savings runs all the way until October 8th. So you do have a lot of time to capture these deals. Now let's get started. And the first two items up are going to be a couple different oil filter pliers. The one is by Holt Industries, self-adjusting oil filter pliers. It goes from 2¼ inch up to 4¾ of an inch. The instant savings price is priced at $11.99, and which you're saving $8 on that, which comes to 40% off. And then the Pittsburgh one is also on instant savings, where that retail price is normally $8.99, and you're going to be able to pick them up for $5, and that is saving 44%. So both great deals on these. The Pittsburgh one goes from 2 inches up to 4¼ inch, whereas the Holt one is 2¼ to 4¾ and they are out of stock on this next item. It's going to be on the 4-piece Pittsburgh nylon pry bar kit. So it is going to be similar to the blue set, but it is only going to be 4 pieces on sale for $5.49, saving 31%. And here's a look at what they look like if they're the yellow ones. So it's 31% off. It's a pretty good deal if you get your hands on it. Next up is a deal on the Hallmaster 10-inch solid rubber tire with a steel hub. This is what the other side looks like. So this would be like a replacement wheel or tire for a hand truck. This does have a 220-pound working load and a 5/8 axle bore, and the width of the axle is 1.5 inches, and the tread width is 2.5 inches. The retail price is $11. You could pick it up for $7, and that's saving 36% on it. It's a pretty good deal. They only have one left in stock at this store, and they have a deal on the storehouse of the 4-inch stacking tilt bin, so you can organize parts and pieces. It's compact, space-saving design, ideal for home, office, job site use. So this retails normally at $3, and you'll be able to pick it up for $2, and that's saving 33% on it. Obviously, you stack multiple together. It also has holes in the back, so you could mount it to the wall and stack them up. If you have things to tie up, you could do so with this 3/8 inch by 75-foot camouflage poly rope. The normal retail price is $5.99, and the instant savings price is $4.29. So you're going to save $1.70 on it, which comes to 28% off. And they brought on a deal on the Braun 1000 lumen tactical rail mount light, powered by 2 of the CR123A lithium batteries. It is nice and bright, and the retail price is $60, and you pick it up for $45, which is saving 25% on it. It's not as good of a deal that they recently had in the 10 days of deals, where it was, I think, $35, if I'm not mistaken. So it's additional $10 in savings on it, but save 25%. It's still a decent deal. If you have spraying to do around your home and garden, they have a deal on this Greenwood, the 2-gallon home and garden sprayer. The normal retail price is $17.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $12.99, which is saving $5 on that, which comes to 27% off. That is a good deal. If you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you. Give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and also consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. It does help spread the word to other deal enthusiasts, and I really appreciate that support. Now, let's go on to the next deal. And the next item should be an item that's in everyone's car and truck. It's on the Pittsburgh 9-piece tubeless tire repair kit. It includes rubber cement, a knife, the little file to help repair the hole, and then the insert tool to put in the plugs. So this retails normally at $6.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $4.99, which is saving 28% on it. So it's a good deal. For a basic tire patch kit, definitely recommend having a minimum of something like this. And while I'm on the topic of tire repair kits, this is the one that I have in my truck. It's on the Maddox Heavy Duty Automotive Tire Repair Kit. There's no current deals on it, but this is a pretty robust kit. It includes the metal tools as well as inserts for the tire valve stems. Retail price is $25 on that one. It's definitely worth the upgrade, but you can always wait for a Maddox deal whenever they do one of those next, or a 15 to 20% off one item deal whenever they do that next. And I did use this about a couple weeks ago to help a lady in the Harbor Freight parking lot of all places. She had a flat tire from a big metal object, and one patch actually repaired it. I was quite impressed that it was actually able to patch a hole at that metal object put in the tire. So it worked perfect perfectly. And the next deal is going to be on the Syntec 6/12 volt circuit tester with a 5-foot lead. So you can find short circuits, grounded circuits, open circuits on both 6 and 12-volt electronics. So here's a look at the back of the package, and the retail price is $4.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $3.49. That's saving 30% on that. Now, this next item might be considered a good deal, but I actually probably recommend staying away from it based on the feedback I heard from a viewer recently who had these cutoff wheels, and one of them did explode, which actually sent him to the hospital and he had to have stitches. So it might be a good deal on this 10-pack of the Bauer cutoff wheels. It's normally priced at $8.99. You'd be able to pick them up for $6, which is saving 33% on that. But again, use caution when using these wheels if you decide to. And the same thing might hold true for the Hercules version. That's the 4.5-inch cutoff wheels. I don't remember him saying it was either Bauer or Hercules. It's one of the two that he had problems with. But the Hercules one is priced at $9.99 on the instant savings price, which is saving 23% on that. Normally priced at $13. If you're looking for something that will help make cutting packages open in cardboard and other items, especially the annoying plastic packages that tools come in nowadays. So they do have a deal on this Warrior cordless power cutter. It's a 4-volt lithium-ion battery, so it's rechargeable. And they say it's good for cutting cardboard, packaging, carpet, foam, leather, plastic paper, and cardstock as well. Here's a look at the back of the package, in case you want to pause the video and take a look at all the other features on it. So this does retail at $39.99, and you actually be able to save $10 on that. Pick it up for $30, which is saving 25%. That is a pretty good deal on it. And they brought on another deal on a different set of chip brushes this time around on the instant savings. This time it's going to be on the pack of 36 of the 1-inch flat ones. So the retail price on these are $12. You'll be able to pick them up for $9, and that's saving $3 on that, which comes to 25% off. Next deal is going to be on this Kinway of the 25-foot 4-way trailer wiring kit. It even includes the connectors for that 4-way plug. The retail price on it is $15. You'll be able to pick it up for $12, and that's saving 20% on that. And they have two separate deals on the Pittsburgh 3-piece socket tray organizers in both the metric and the SAA versions, and they each retail for $9.99, but you can save $2 on each of them and pick them up for $8 each. So one of the things, as a good rule of thumb, in case you don't know already, is maybe wait for a 30% off weekend deal, and if your store allows it, you could stack the additional 30% off on these instant savings deals. And this would be under a $10 item anyways, so you would, even non-members would be able to stack a deal on the 30% off on top of that. And obviously ITC members is stacking anything $20 and under for those deals. So good rule of thumb to go by, especially when there's a lot of time on this instant savings that goes all the way till October 8th. So definitely maybe hold off for one of those weekend deals where you can get better savings on it. So they even brought on a clamp deal. In particular, it's the 1-inch Pittsburgh clamp that has the smooth rubber coatings on them. So it's not the one with the grip ones. So you could actually wait till this weekend when they do the parking lot sale extension and then stack the deal with this instant savings deal. The normal retail price is $1.49, and you'd be able to pick it up for $1.19, which is saving 20% on it now, which, like I said, during this weekend, you'd be able to stack that deal and get additional 40% off on it if your store allows it. And they do have another Braun light deal. It's on the 500 lumen magnetic folding rechargeable slim bar work light. It has the magnetic base. These are pretty nice lights, and they're actually pretty popular because they are nice and bright. They're reliable and rechargeable by USB-C. It has variable light modes of high and low, as well as a top light. Runtime of up to 20 hours. And the head on this does swivel back and forth 180 degrees, and you can turn it 360 degrees. So this one retails at $29.99, and it's an honorable mention because it's saving 16% on it now, and you can pick it up for $24.99. And earlier in the year, we did see better deals on Braun lights that were like 40% off on all Braun lights. But if you need it now, it's good to go ahead and save the 16% on it. If you do your own oil changes, they do have a deal on the 16-quart container. It has 2 plugs in there, as well as a vent plug. And it has a spot where you can stick the drain plugs at. A nice carry handle with that as well. And then a pour spout. Here's what the label looks like in case you're interested in checking out the details of it. So this one does retail at $19.99, and you'll be able to save $5 on that. You'll be able to pick it up for $14.99, which is saving 25%. And another Pittsburgh item for you is on this 20-ton hydraulic bottle jack. It is considered a low profile one. It goes to a max height of 17 3/8 of an inch. Minimum height of 9 3/8 of an inch. The retail price on that one is $59.99. and you'll be able to pick it up for $49.99, which is saving 10 bucks on that, which comes to 16% off. And the next deal is going to be on this midi vac hand vacuum pump for automotive test and bleed kit. The retail price on that one is $59.99, and you'll be able to save $10 on that. Pick it up for $49.99, which comes to 16% off. And they have a deal on the Ranger knee pads. It's hard terrain gel knee pads. Offers all day comfort, secure fit, and heavy duty construction. They do feel durable and rugged. So the normal retail price is $17.99. You'll be able to pick them up for $14.99, which is saving 16% on those. All right, the next deal normally would not have made the cut in the top deals video for instant savings. It's going to be on this Quinn 4-piece plier set that offers the 9-inch lineman's plier, the 10-inch groove joint pliers, the 8-inch long nose pliers, and the 7-inch diagonal cutters. So the normal retail price is $24.99. The instant savings price is $21.99, which is only saving 12% on that. But the reason why it makes the cut is because of this weekend of them extending the parking lot sale, where you could save additional 35% on it if your store allows the stacking on instant savings like mine does and majority of others. You would be able to save additional $7.70 off of this $22 price and be able to pick it up for $14.30. That's what makes the cut this time around. It'd be an awesome deal to stack the deal on the instant savings. And another honorable mention, it's not a great deal right now, and it's on these Doyle 9.5-inch crimping cutting tool, which I have a pair of these. They work awesome. I do recommend them if you do a lot of different electrical work for automotive, and in my case, golf carts. So the deal price right now is at $14.99. It's only saving 11%. Because they're normally priced at 17 bucks. But again, I would wait until maybe a 30% off weekend deal where you could stack it and get additional 30% off. That'd make it a better deal, better time to go for it. But I just wanted to mention this deal in the video. That way you do know that these are on sale, even though it's not the best deal right now. And they have a decent deal on the Warrior brand of the 9-inch pruning recip saw blades. It's a 5-pack of them. It'd be good for cutting regular wood as well as pruning trees and shrubs. And 9-inch blade is a decent size as far as that goes, and you put it right in your reciprocating saw and turn it into like a chainsaw or a pruning saw. And so these retail at $9.99. Instant savings is $7.99, which is saving 20% on them. So again, you could wait for a 30% off deal, stack it on the instant savings deal if you're patient enough for a deal like that to come up. But again, I think they probably should do another one of those during this time period of the instant savings, since it goes all the way until October 8th. And the next deal is going to be on this Warrior 10 amp of the 7-inch variable speed rotary polisher and sander. It does come with a 6-inch hook and loop backing pad, which is not on display here. It is variable speed on the dial here on the handle, and then a trigger style power button. This does retail at $39.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $32.99, which is saving 7 bucks on that, which comes to 17% off. And another Pittsburgh item is going to be on the 3/8 drive of the 21-piece high-vis socket set. It has both the SAE and metric, and here's all the sizes listed on the package as far as the sockets that's included. And the normal retail price is 25 bucks, and you'll be able to save 5 bucks on that. Pick it up for 20, which is saving 20% off, which this again would be another good candidate if you wait till a 30% off weekend, since it is now right at $19.99. ITC members would be able to save additional 30% on that, stack the deal on the instant savings. All right, that's going to be the top deals I'm going to show you in this instant savings video, and there will be more deals available online to check out. So I will be sure to put a link to the instant savings page on harborfreight.com where you can check them all out. I think there's a total of like 57 items total, and I've covered about half of them or so. If you did get any value from this video, I really appreciate you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.